Every year we come to SEMA and we try to look around to see what builds people are doing, so maybe we can learn a little bit from it and add it to our cars, or if we can find parts or companies that you guys might like. In this video, we're going to tour around SEMA and take a look. Hopefully we can bring to you the very best of what we see here. My name is Ethan, and my friend James will be helping me out this trip, and welcome to Car Creations. Right now we're at the hotel room, and it's a magnificent view. Look at that. You can actually see the entire complex of SEMA, and then over there on the right, you can see a bunch of smoke because someone's already doing burnouts. So before we miss anything, let's head over there and see what we can see.
We're going to head to the Hoonigan yard, and that place is going to be pretty insane. That crazy Mini went out there. Oh my goodness, that was insane.
Yeah, because we saw that last year and it was just on display in one of the booths, but this year they had it out there ripping, which was awesome.
Yeah, whenever we have to get different buildings, we take the Tesla loop. It's usually the best way to get around. The first day we probably walked around 18 miles, but then the next day we discovered that going the Tesla loop was actually quite quick, and we only walked 12 miles, so hence that's what we're doing. Behind me we have the new LFA concept. It looks so good. I wonder if it would be an electric car, if they're gonna make it sound anywhere near what the original ones sound like, but it looks pretty good. One of the cool things we did see over here was a mini Ghostbusters car. It looked pretty cool. It was really detailed as well. Maybe we'll show you guys a quick glimpse of it.
This particular car was owned by a guy named Charlie Paulette.
Okay.
And he's out of Ohio. And he was the crew chief for the Huffaker Mini that won several national championships. Charlie passed in 2014. It had been in a barn for 39 years in Ohio.
Yeah.
And we worked out a deal, and I took it over. At the bottom was rusted out, the subframes were gone and all that. So we stripped it all the way down and sat there and had a couple of beers and said, you know, now what are we going to make out of it?
Yeah.
You know? So we came up with the theme of the Ghostbuster car.
Was it white originally?
No, it was blue.
Okay, yeah, right.
All the little things we had to reduce just to make them fit and make them, try to look as authentic as possible.
Yeah. Did you do any like specific mods in the engine?
Oh no, we did some mods. We pistons and head work and cam work and all that stuff. So it's a little spunkier, but not. We didn't go overboard on it. Runs great, shifts great. Went through all the transmission and it's all new. You know, subframes we started.
Yeah.
Powder coated them and built them all up.
Oh, what year is it?
1969. That'll be Ghostbusters forever now. All of ours are themed. We have a cop car and a tow truck. And
where could other people, if they're watching this, see more of your cars?
Facebook page.
Okay.
Norman Nelson. Shasta Minis is our club, our local club.
Okay, take a look there if you want to see more of their vintage minis, and you had a few newer ones too, didn't you?
No, just one.
Just one, okay, yeah.
R53.
R53. Thanks so much for talking about your mini.
Thank you for coming by.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Keep in touch.
Yeah, will do.
Take care.
So what we're doing is we're gonna go get drinks at Walgreens, because here at SEMA, drinks are like, what, $6 or $7 each?
Yeah, it's insane.
Whereas Walgreens, we can get 2 Monsters for $6.
Exactly.
So,
or 2 Arizonas for $1.98.
yeah. Look at this. This McLaren is something else. Make sure you check out his Instagram, but wow. Look at the Senna knockoff. That's all I can say for the rear wing, but the whole thing is just epic. Should wrap your Subaru like this.
Yeah. I think we should have gotten Taco Bell and came here and ate in Taco Bell.
Next to it?
Yeah, next to it.
Alright, so SEMA impressions. What do you think?
It was great. I enjoyed it. Lots of new cars, lots of different things. The Taco Bell car, probably my favorite overall. My only thing is I just realized that there was no Bugattis, and I was kind of hoping to see a Bugatti, so...
Yeah.
Oh well.
I think the Supras were cool. We will show you that in a different video, because, I don't know, it was kind of it was a lot of fun. So we'll just make a different video, small video, which will show you that. So make sure you like and subscribe. One of my favorite things, actually, was going and seeing DD's new car, because that paint color in person, so cool. It was a successful trip. We talked to a lot of people, got a lot of ideas. I really want to do, when I put the wrap on my car, or maybe one day when I paint it, have the carbon showing through the wrap, because I think that could be pretty cool.
Yeah, they had that on there, on that Lamborghini.
Yeah, Lamborghini as well as the Street Hunter kit. Lots of different cars had that. But yeah, so that's been our video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we see you all in the next one. So satisfying.